Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Arthur and you are watching Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media. Today in this video I want to show you the Deegan 38 rear bumper. This matches the front bumper that I installed last month. I purchased both of these from extremeterrain.com. I'm going to put a lot of information down in the description area, so make sure you read that. There'll be some links to take you over to extremeterrain.com so you can look at these bumpers for yourself and do a little price shopping and see if it might be something that you're interested in. So let's take a closer look. As you can see, the bumper matches the same style and texture, same quality powder coat that the front bumper has. And we'll just do a real quick look at the front bumper just so you can see. And again, here's just a quick look at the front bumper. I got the skid plate off of it because I was recently at the shop getting the alignment done. So let's go back around and talk more about the rear bumper. The rear bumper also has the optional backup lights. I'm going to install those here just probably next couple weeks or so. Also has the welded on D-ring mounts, hitch and receiver. Now I had the factory hitch on here. You could make this bumper work with the factory hitch. It'll just take a little bit of trimming across the top if you got a little bit of skill and the proper tools. So it's nothing easy or nothing hard that you couldn't get accomplished there. Here we got an upper and a lower taper roller bearing. So you got a two tapered roller bearings to support the tire carrier. I got a 35-inch tire on there now, and I got the extended brake light. It comes with an extended brake light kit. You can see that as well. Got a nice latch and handle here. And the tire will swing all the way out. You can see there's a pin. Oop, and that pin drops in, of course. Now you got it locked in place, won't swing around, hit the Jeep, hit someone else's vehicle. Got a nice large step to get in and out if you needed to. There's a nice little wear plate here for the pin. Just an access cap. You can re-grease that bearing. I just packed it really well. I think you'll never have to touch it again. The latch assembly here comes with some adjustment shims that you can raise and lower that as needed. This pivot shaft here that the tire carrier is mounted to is also adjustable, just so you can get the latch mechanism to latch properly. You got the bump stops here. They do kind of line up pretty good with the ones up here on the Jeep. And you can see I got I'm not the proudest of this, but I'm going to try and make it better. But I put one of those brake light kits, LED brake light kits, behind the wheel, and just kind of snaking the wire through, so forth like that. overall, I think it's a really great looking bumper. The price was really good. I'll put that information as well down in the description. See how it fits the bump stops. Extended brake light. I think it goes up to a 37-inch tire. Okay guys, that's a look at the Deegan 38 rear bumper. I'm pretty happy with it. I think the prices are really good. Again, that information will be below. But I definitely want you to check the links out that I'm going to put in the description. Jump over there and do some shopping. See what kind of bumpers you like that fit your Jeep. I like the styling of these. Really good powder coat. Price is good. Comes with a tire carrier. For the price, it's hard to beat. Some of these bumpers that come with rear tire carriers easily start getting $1,200+ and up. And so I'm happy with them, and I think you will be too. And thanks for watching.